As a trader, patience is your superpower. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist currently trading forex to fund my music. And the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are far too kind. Now, short video. Patience is the key. Like when trading forex, patience is your superpower. Without patience, you can't make it. You can never make it. Like literally. And here's the thing from experience, right? You need setups. You need to see certain setups in the market. They need to form. So let me give an instance here. Like if you trade on the 4-hour time frame, like I do, daily and 4-hour time frame, you need to see certain things before you take a trade, right? Now, for one candle to form, it takes 4 hours. For you to see a setup, it might take a day, 2 days or 3 days, right? That's where a lot of us traders lose it. That sitting down and waiting for setups to form, you know, it's not easy. Like let this thing happen, let it not happen. I like I was saying in the previous video that I lost 4 times back to back, and that's because the setup I wanted to enter did not form. I entered prematurely. It was like a head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. Perfect setup. But guess what? Because I was not patient enough, I entered too early and I lost money. So now here's the thing. Sit on your hands. Wait for your setups to form. Without those things, you cannot be profitable. You might just make more money today and tomorrow you lose it. Make some money today and tomorrow you lose it. So as a trader, the one thing you need to have is patience. The ability to sit down and just wait for the charts to give you what you're looking for. Hope that helps anyway. If you're new here, like I said earlier, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. It does love for the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.